Getting started with TikTok. You need to make a good start with TikTok if you want to be successful with it. In this video, we will look at the best way to get started so that you create the right foundation for your marketing using the app. Is TikTok right for your business? Before we get started on registering a TikTok account and setting things up, you should first conduct some research to see if TikTok is the right platform for your business. Ask yourself the following questions. Are your target customers younger than 35 years old? Does your business target Generation Z and younger millennials? Are your products visually appealing? Are you in the music business or an artist? Would you say that your brand is fun, casual, and trendy? Does your brand have a cool kid vibe about it? Do you have the resources to post content regularly on TikTok? This is not an exhaustive list by any means. Take a look at the type of brands that are using TikTok for marketing now. Does your brand suit the platform? We recommend that if you are going to market your brand on TikTok, that you perform a test for around 3 months. Later on in this training, we will discuss how you can tell if things are working for you or not. Install TikTok. Now that you have decided to use TikTok for your brand and marketing, you will need to download the app and install it on your mobile device. TikTok is available for Android and iOS devices here. One of the really good things about TikTok is that it is easy to share other people's content freely elsewhere. Some social media platforms actually prevent this from happening. Once you have a TikTok account, other users can share your content on other sites. TikTok users can actually download full video and GIF versions of your content, but there is a TikTok watermark on this. This is excellent as it helps to get the word out about the platform and your brand in a seamless and organic way. Once you have downloaded and installed TikTok, you will need to create an account and choose a username and display name. It is easy to sign up using Facebook, Twitter, or a Gmail email account. Make these names count and associate them with your brand. Be aware that if you sign up using your phone number, then your username will reflect this number. When you use an email address, TikTok will provide a more personalized username. It doesn't really matter too much because you can change your username. As soon as your account is ready, TikTok will create a feed of videos that it thinks you would be interested in using AI technology. As you spend more time using TikTok, the AI technology will make smarter video choices for you. Set up your profile. To access your profile, tap on the icon that looks like the outline of a person with the word Me underneath on the lower right of the screen. Make sure that you write an appealing bio as TikTok users will read this. It needs to be exciting for them to want to follow you. You can link your YouTube and Instagram accounts in your profile, and we strongly recommend that you do this. At the time of writing, you cannot link your Facebook page, but this is sure to change in the near future. Take your time and write a compelling description. Add the most relevant hashtags here as well. It is really important that you make the description as engaging as possible. If you want other users to react to any of your videos using the duet feature, then you can set this in your profile. You will need to select an image or video for your profile. We recommend that you choose a video here. After all, this is a video platform. When you are completing your profile, always think about the appeal that you are creating. It really can make all the difference between you being discovered on the platform and not. Start engaging with other users. The next step is to find some related videos and start engaging with other TikTok users. You need to get used to navigating around the app, which is pretty simple. There are 2 main feeds within the TikTok app. The default feed creates the For You page that presents videos to you using AI technology. It is similar to how Instagram's Explore page works. When you watch a video on TikTok, you will notice a series of icons to the right. The first icon will take you to the content creator's profile if you tap on it. Then there is the heart icon for liking a video. Then you have the comments icon, and then an arrow pointing to the right, which you can use to share TikToks on other social platforms. Finally, there is a spinning record icon that has musical notes coming out of it. This tells you about the music that is playing in the video. When you click on it, you can see the name of the track and the artist, as well as a feed with other videos that use the same music or song. If you find a video that you enjoy, then tap on the heart icon to like it as you would on Instagram or Facebook. When you find related videos from users that have a good following, then you should leave a comment as they will pick up on this. You can share the video on external platforms too. Following other TikTok users. We would recommend that you start to follow other TikTok users. If they are in the same niche as you, then this is a particularly good idea. There are actually 4 ways that you can follow another user on TikTok, and the methods vary slightly if you're using an iOS or Android device. Following TikTok users on an iOS device. 1. Browse videos or categories. With the app open, tap on the magnifying glass at the bottom of the screen. This takes you to the page where you can search by user or category. Here you can tap on a hashtag or a category. There's also a search bar at the top of the page. Now tap a video and look for the profile image in the bottom right corner. Tap the plus sign and this will transform into a check mark. 2. Search for a username. Use the magnifying glass again and enter the username into the search bar. You will then see the user with a red follow button to the right. This will then transform into a white following button. 3. Follow contacts on your device. Tap on the person icon in the far bottom right of the screen. Tap the person outline icon with a plus to open the friends screen. Tap on Find Contacts Friends and then follow a contact using the follow red button as above. 4. Follow Facebook friends. Go to the friends screen again using the method above. This time tap on Find Facebook Friends. A message will appear about signing into Facebook. Tap Continue. After confirming your Facebook login, you can invite your friends to TikTok by using the red follow button. Following TikTok users on an Android device. 1. Follow from Browse. Open TikTok and then swipe up the main screen to find an account of interest. You can look at recent videos by swiping up and down your home feed. Here you will see the profile picture with a red plus sign. Tap on this plus sign to follow this user. 2. Follow from Search. Tap the magnifying glass icon which is on the bottom left of the screen. This opens the search page for you. Now use the search bar at the top of the page to search for users, hashtags, and sounds. When you see the user listed that you want to follow, just tap on the red follow button. 3. Follow contacts on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen to open the profile page. Tap on the person outline with a plus sign in the upper left corner. Then tap on Find Contacts Friends, and this will scan your phone book. You will need to tap on an Allow button first. Tap on the Follow button next to your contact's name. 4. Follow Facebook friends. Open your profile page as you did above and tap on the outline person with the plus sign. This time tap on Find Facebook Friends. You will need to sign in to Facebook so that TikTok can scan your friends. When you see your friends list, tap on the red follow button. When you follow people on TikTok, some of them are going to follow you back. Not all of them will, but that's okay. You always want to have some followers on your profile when you are starting out. It doesn't look great if you are marketing on the platform and you have no followers.